Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to record your favorite shows on Xfinity using just your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Xfinity Stream or Xfinity TV app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the app, use the search bar or browser feature to find the show or channel you want to record. You can also look in guide section to see upcoming episodes. When you have selected the show, look for the record button. It usually a red circle or a button that says record. Tap it once and the show will be scheduled to record. After tapping record, you might see options like record this episode only, record all episodes, or record with a serious priority. Choose the option that works for you and confirm. To see or manage your recordings, go to Library, My Recordings in the app. Here you can watch, delete or set reminders for your recorded shows. And that's all. We have just learned how to record shows on Xfinity using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.